Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve your pelvic mobility, particularly in the transverse plane. Now your pelvis is essentially a bowl and you want to make sure that your pelvis has three-dimensional mobility. So our pelvis should be able to move into an anterior and posterior pelvic tilt. So that's the sagittal plane. It should be able to move in the transverse plane, so this motion, and then it should be able to move in the frontal plane, which is this hip hikes. So I will link the hip hikes mobility exercise right now, that's so that you can practice that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the transverse plane motion of your pelvis. So that is the rotation. So we're going to have you lay on your back. You're going to have your legs straight. Now for this exercise, I'm going to bend my elbows and I'm going to sink and maintain pressure from my elbows into the ground to keep my ribs and spine nice and stable. Now from this point, I'm going to think about rotating my pelvis up and down. So it's this up and down motion, and you want to think again, not moving from your spine. So as you drop one pelvis, the other pelvis will come up. As you drop the other one will come up. Now you may notice that it can be a little challenging. Again, when you do this, you don't want to lift up your entire rib cage. So try to keep this nice and isolated from the pelvis. And you may notice one side is more difficult, especially if you have like one-sided back pain or hip pain. Great, so you can do that for about 30 to 40 seconds. And again, really thinking about isolating that rotation. Now this rotation is so important for kicking, running, walking, any type of lower extremity sport. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.